It has been months since Manchester high school student Jayden Smith disappeared without a trace. And on Saturday morning, relatives and concerned citizens took to the streets of Mandeville hoping and renewing calls for answers. Yanique Williams has the details.
Today marks 9 months since Jayden's disappearance. Concerned residents and the supporters in Mandeville gathered in the streets wearing purple shirts, bearing his photograph, keeping his face at the center of a heartfelt call for answers.
We're not hearing anything forthcoming from the people who should have given us any information, which is the police. So we are here today asking the police to revisit Jayden's case and to let the public know what happened to Jayden.
Among those taking part was Jayden's mother, who says each passing day has been filled with pain and uncertainty. Despite the emotional toll, she says she refuses to give up hope her son will be found.
Sleepless night. Cannot eat sometime because in my mind, he's still, but just believe, say he's out there. So anyone out there have any information, please, I'm asking. Visit the nearest police station or anywhere. I miss my son so much.
And as for the wider diaspora, supporters traveled from the Cayman Islands to stand in solidarity with Jayden's family and the wider community.
I really hope that the Commissioner of Police, the Prime Minister, and the Ministry of Education actually work together and bringing some closure, because I do believe they have failed Jayden. The ministry have failed Jayden. I do believe some law enforcement has failed Jayden. But I do hope and pray that Mr. Holness would find it in his heart as a father, as a parent, with 2 sons, that Andreen is just as important.
Organizers say they hope the march will encourage anyone with information to come forward and help bring closure to Jayden's family. They are still hopeful the missing teen will one day return home. Police have continued their investigations into Jayden Smith's disappearance and are urging anyone with information that could assist the probe to contact the nearest police station or Crime Stop. Yanique Williams, TVJ